Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Julie. In this video, I'm going to show you how to crochet this Rasta Reggae ribbed beanie. So this is what it looks like. This is very easy, guys. So guys, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to like this video and also don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys, let's start. So using green for our first color, we're going to chain 45 using our 4mm crochet hook. So make a slip knot, put your hook in, and chain 45. So we have here our 45 chains. So now we're gonna add one more chain, so all of 46. We're gonna skip the 46 stitch, and on the second stitch from the hook we're gonna put one single crochet and also one single crochet each stitches all the way to the last stitch. So for the second row, we're going to chain 1, turn our work. So starting from now, we're gonna start working only on the back loop. So the front loop and the back loop. So we're gonna start ribbing. So put your hook in, pull through. You have 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2. So again, only on the back loop. And put 1 single crochet each back loop stitch. So for the third row, we're gonna chain 1, turn our work, and again put 1 single crochet only on the back loop. So we need at least 2 inches using the same color, guys. So as you can see, it's starting to have a rib effect. So we're just gonna keep going until we have 2 inches. So after 12 rows, this is what I have. So if I'm gonna measure it, it's 2 inches. So now we're gonna chain 1 and cut our yarn. So for our second color is yellow. So we're going to connect our yarn where we finish. and make a slip stitch. So now we're going to chain 1 and again put 1 single crochet only on the back loop. So again we need 12 rows of this color, which is the yellow. So after I have 12 rows of yellow, now I am ready to connect using the red yarn. So we're going to connect it on the last stitch and make a slip stitch. Chain 1 and again put 1 single crochet only on the back loop. And also 1 single crochet on the following stitches, again only on the back loop. So again we need 12 rows of single crochet using the red yarn. So to move on to the next row, you're gonna chain 1 and the second stitch from the row you're gonna put 1 single crochet only on the back loop, then turn your work and keep going, making single crochet only on the back loop until you have 12 rows of single crochet. So after 12 rows of red, now we are ready to connect our black yarn. So again, we're gonna connect it on the last stitch and make a slip stitch. Chain 1 And again, put 1 single crochet only on the back loop. So again, we need 12 rows of single crochet, putting it only on the back loop. So after 48 rows using 4 different colors, this is what I have. So now we're just gonna keep making rows alternating the 4 different colors that we have. For my head circumference, which is 20.5 inches, I'm going to make a panel measuring 21 inches. So go ahead guys and keep making rows, and I will be back to you after I finish my panel. So now we have to flip our panel. So the wrong side is on the top. So now we're gonna start hiding all this yarn hanging. So after we hide all the yarn that hanging in here, so now turn your panel and put the right side on top, because we're going to connect both sides. So again, using our 4mm crochet hook, we're going to put our hook on the first stitch, and on the first stitch on the other side. And now we're going to make a slip stitch, and then chain 1, and we're going back again on the same stitch, also on the other side, and again make a slip stitch. So now we're gonna move on to the second stitch, and also second stitch on the other side, and make a slip stitch. So again, move on to the next stitch, and also on the other stitch on the other side, and make a slip stitch. So that's the way we connect the two sides together. So we're just gonna keep doing this until we reach on the last stitch. So you're just gonna keep going guys and finish this row. So don't worry if it's you just need to stretch it a little bit. So go ahead guys, and I will meet you after you finish the last stitch. So this is what it looks like. So now guys, we're gonna chain 1 and leave a long tail because we're gonna close this side here. So make sure you have a long tail and then cut your yarn. So using our darning needle, we're gonna close this top and we're just gonna sew roughly. So now guys, we're just gonna pull it tight. Like so. And now we're gonna close it and lock it. To keep it close. So pull it. So this one here, we're just gonna connect it here. So now we can cut our yarn. So this the outside look like. So thank you guys for watching, and again, see you on my next video. Bye!